Right. I'd like to thank you all. Thank you all and welcome. Welcome from wherever you are. It's the 28th of August. So it's Tuesday, 28th of August, 2018. And as usual, what better time to get started using your time online on the internet and earn a living for yourself. Simply working smarter and not harder. And that's basically what I'm here to do for you and assist you. So, my job will simply be to guide you. And this is my way of earning a living by simply introducing as many people as I can to the same concept of using the internet and getting a whole wide audience out there. It's a digital business opportunity, meaning anyone from any walks of life, anywhere in the world, can partner with you and be in business for themselves. So you're basically introducing others to be in business for themselves using the internet with our digital products that teaches them how to. Now, the same way you go about sharing like a Facebook link, your Instagram, when someone asks you for your Instagram or your Facebook, the same way you give them a link to contact you is the same way you will have a link for people to partner with you in business. Now, for anybody that joins you, you will earn a minimum fee of $25. Right? So $25, which is rounded about £20 here in the UK. So how much is $25 from wherever you are in the world? So you're here to earn a minimum fee of $25 per person you introduce to get started working smarter and not harder using the internet. So what I do audios and videos like this, such as this, and upload it onto YouTube. When you join me, when you partner with me, I will be able to show you these same skills, how you can go about positioning yourself. You can do videos to simply upload onto YouTube and simply share the YouTube link with others. You can message with your friends on Facebook. You can send it to Instagram. You can send it through WhatsApp. You will be able to do videos such as this, teaching and coaching others step by step for them to also partner and start benefiting from this business opportunity online that helps them earn for themselves. So you will be earning while you learn or learn while you're earning. So I will have different opportunities here for you that I would want you to take a look at, and I will have links below this video for you to get started. So without further ado, I'm just going to get started with the many opportunities I've partnered with that allows me to earn for myself as I get others to get started with me. So like I said, you will have a same link, a shareable link that you can share with others to register and join you in business. Once they join you, you can have someone from the other side of the world join you, register, sign up. And as they do, you simply get paid. You get a commission. So how many people per day, every day, would you want to sign up simply working smarter using the internet? This is what we're here to teach you. How would you go about wanting to get your own link that you can share with like 3, 4, 5 people a day, and earning a minimum fee of $25, which is £20 here in the UK. Earning a minimum fee of $25 per person. So if you're earning $25 for every person you introduce to our business opportunity, introduce 2 people today, and that's $50 in your pocket. For $25, introduce 4 people, that's $100. You know, $25 is £20 here in the UK. Introduce 5 people and that's £100 in your pocket today, you know. So these business opportunities are here for you to get started. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play one of these videos.